The project is an exciting project. It really speaks to all the things that the government is trying to do around critical minerals. We're extracting minerals that are needed for the future economy. It's needed for things that people rely on every day. It's an exciting project for our region because it's going to employ a lot of people and it's going to create a lot of opportunities for young people.
What Tāiko has done, it has deliberately and purposely sort of flown below the radar, if you want. So we have made a decision that we will make sure that our project is commercially and operationally viable. There's been a considerable amount of exploration done, nearly several thousand metres of drilling has been completed. We understand exactly what our deposit is like and how we can develop it and how we can produce high value minerals from this deposit.
All the work on all the farms we're on, the ground will be rehabilitated and all the farmers are happy because they're getting better farms back and better conditions. And it's going to flow into the local community and could be up to 30 years work. It's a win-win for everybody.
This particular area in New Zealand is unique globally in these critical minerals, and that's been borne out by the fact that our recent drilling and metallurgical testing and results will show that this is one of the highest grades heavy mineral deposits in the world.